Hey there, the English Perfect Tutor. We are looking at comprehension. This one comes under section B of paper 2 and it carries 20 marks. So we did summary. Summary carries 20 marks. That's how the paper 2 is structured. Summary 20 marks. This is section C. Section B there is comprehension with 20 marks as well. And then section A is in two parts. There are the rewrites part, and that's A2 with 10 marks. And the first part, they bring whatever they feel like bringing on vocabulary, anything. They'll test you on vocabulary. So part A also has 10 marks. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 20 plus 20, that gives us 60 marks in paper 2. So where I need to hammer more marks is on comprehension and summary, because these two are very simple and they've got a lot of marks. They've got a lot of marks. And the rewrites may be confused and the vocabulary may be confused, but when you reach comprehension, make sure you get the desired marks there. You get at least not less than 15. Okay, so what is a comprehension? We need to understand this. What is a comprehension? Comprehension comes from the word comprehend. From the word what? Comprehend, which means to understand. Comprehend means to do what? To understand. So even when you be doing questions on comprehension, even in your exam, you must bear it in your mind to say, what you need to do here, first of all, is to understand it. This topic deals with something to understand it. That's all. The passages for comprehension that will come in your exam are derived from all aspects of life. They may bring any passage on any topic, any subject, such as the politics, sports, science, religion, etc. They may bring anything. Now, what you need to do is just to get along with the context, that is the passage that has come, and understand it. Simple. When you're answering questions under comprehension, make sure you answer according to the passage. The passage will be given. So the examiners will expect you to get the answers from the passage and not from your head. Always, the answers must be from the context, which is the passage. How it get? Hints on how to answer a comprehension. The first thing that you need to do is to skim. There is skimming and understanding. What is to skim? Skimming, you just read through the passage. You just read through the passage so as to know what it is about. What's the topic being discussed? Because you have just been exposed to the passage. You don't even know what it is talking about. Now you want to get some sense. It's not that you want to understand, but you just want to know a bit about it. That's what we call skimming. You just read through fast. You are skimming. So after skimming the passage, skim the questions. Skim the questions. Just go through the questions. You read the questions. That will give you a proper idea of what the passage is all about and what the examiners are expecting you to do. After you skim, there is scanning now. Scan is to understand. So read the passage with understanding. Pay attention to each and every word used. Read the passage with understanding. After skimming and scanning, you can start answering the questions. So you skim the passage and the questions. From there, you scan the passage, reading with understanding. After reading with understanding, you can start answering your questions. So now, how do you answer the questions? Comprehension has 3 parts, but mostly these 2 are the most common one. Multiple choice questions, open-ended or free response questions, and vocabulary questions. Mostly, we only have these. Only have those 2. So now, multiple choice questions. Just imagine, each question carries 2 marks. Each question carries 2 marks for comprehension. So, you'll be provided with 4 options: A, B, C, and D. There will be answers on each of the options. So now you're required to read and understand the options. You understand the options. What is this one talking about? Answers may be similar. Answers may be similar. So you have to be very careful. Comprehension is simple and tough at the same time. So if you are not careful, you may be picking wrong answers thinking they are correct ones. Make sure you are careful. Critically, refer to the paragraph where the question has been taken from. In comprehension, when they are asking a question on multiple choice, they will say, according to paragraph 1. You see, according to paragraph 1, then they ask a question. That means the answer is in paragraph 1. Critically refer to paragraph 1. Read paragraph 1. Read until you find the answer from paragraph 1. Always. Not because the best answer is in paragraph 2, but they said refer to paragraph 1. You go to paragraph 2. No. Always refer to the stated paragraph. The difference between the best opinion and the distractor is very simple. There is the best opinion and the distractor. The other answers here are just to distract you. The other answers, they are just to distract you. So if the answer is A, that means all these are just distractors. Now the difference may be simple. It may be in spelling. Maybe in spelling. They have missed a spelling. For the best one, they have spelled it correctly. So make sure you check every detail that is there. Punctuations, spellings. For example, the answer is Mwanza. The answer is Mwanza. This is A, Mwanza. B here, they write Mwanza. With a small letter M. So now, if you're not careful, you will think it's the same Mwanza. It's the same Mwanza. But when you pay attention, you know to say, oh, this is a capital letter. And this is how we write a noun. So, the answer is A. Pay attention to every detail. You can use elimination method. You can use elimination method when answering multiple choice questions. How do you use elimination method? Let me say you have A, B, C, D. How do you use elimination method? You eliminate the other answers. You say, can this be the answer? No, this one, no. A, can A be the answer? No, this one is not even similar. You remain with the 2. Start debating. Between the two. B cannot be the answer. C. So elimination method is very easy. You eliminate the wrong answers, then the best answer will remain. That's in the case where you want to use elimination method. It works best as well. Apart from the multiple choice questions, you also have the vocabulary questions. I'll talk about this one. The vocabulary questions demand you to find the meaning of the words from the context they have been used in the passage. So, in your passage, you will find some words which are either underlined or written in bold. In your passage, there will be words which they will underline like this, or they'll just be written in bold. There will be those words. Now, under vocabulary, they will either ask you to find the meaning of those words or to find the words that are similar to those. So now, this is very simple. The words are highlighted in the passage. You need to explain. How do you do that? Use these hints here. Always make reference to the related paragraph. They will say paragraph 1. They even write the word demand. They write the word demand. Paragraph 1, demand. So now, you don't give the meaning according to the dictionary. No. Don't give the meaning according to the dictionary. Give the meaning according to how the word has been used in the context, in the passage. What it means in the passage, that's what you write. Not what it means in the dictionary. No. So they say paragraph 1, demand. Then you say demand. Here, demand. Require. You see? Require. That's how it has been used there. But when you go into the dictionary to give you different meanings. So we always give or refer to the related paragraph. Look at what comes before and after the word. Maybe a word is like this here. Now, how do you know the meaning? The meaning of the word has been used in the context. You look at what is here and what is here. See? You look at what is there. This will help you to know the meaning of this word. So you consider what comes before and after a word. Those will help you to know the meaning of the word has been used in the passage. Always. Then, if they say according to paragraph 1, make sure you understand the whole paragraph 1 so that you don't make mistakes. If they say according to paragraph 1, what's the meaning of the word demand? Just an example here. Make sure you understand everything about paragraph 1 and then you answer the question. You answer a question. Simple as that. Comprehension is simple. What have we learned? Comprehension is very simple. The first thing that you need to do here is comprehension. 1. The passage will be there. Skim. You skim through the passage and the questions. You quickly go through the passage just to know what it is about, and then you check the questions. That will give you a proper idea of what the passage is about. Then, after skimming, scan. Scan, this is where you understand the passage. Now, you can read 2 times so that you understand. You read the passage with understanding. After you understand the passage, go to the questions now. You can start answering the questions. On answering the questions, make sure you refer to the related paragraph. Always refer to the related paragraph. They say paragraph 1, that means the answer is in paragraph 1. That is on the multiple choice questions. The second part of comprehension comprises the vocabulary questions. Under vocabulary, you also need to understand the passage, or let me say the paragraph. They say, according to paragraph 1, the words will be there. You will just see them, the words will be underlined or they will be written in bold just to differentiate them. The words will be there. So now when they say the meaning of this word has been used in paragraph 1, make sure you understand the paragraph 1 here. Understand the paragraph 1. Look at what comes before and after a word. This will help you to know the meaning of that word. The meaning of that word. This is simple. Earn yourself 20 marks. 20 marks in the exam. So, you can try to research more on comprehension, go through some past papers. See you in the next video. Bye.